Hey. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Hey. So I'm just gonna start the vlog from the night before I move in because I just want to show the internet how much how much I'm gonna grow as a college student. It is currently what 10 o'clock on the dot, and I'm still packing. And we're gonna leave tomorrow at 9, and it takes like 3-ish hours to drive to Orlando. So there's clothes I still have to put in my suitcase, and I'm still kind of like cleaning up my room and like just packing stuff that I need and whatnot. But yeah, it's 10 o'clock and I'm still not done, and I'm leaving tomorrow morning. Okay, so the next scene that you'll see is me being, I don't know, but better prepared than I am now. Hopefully. Is that it?
I think that's it. Anything else? You sure you didn't leave anything? Where's your pocketbook?
I have it in the kitchen. So today is move-in day.
I've already bawled my eyes out. Okay, just so you know.
Oh, sorry. Hey, say hi. This is for the vlog.
Hi vlog. Hi vloggers.
Auntie, can you say hi to my vlog, please? Auntie Judith, can you say hi to my vlog, please?
You're taking over from your mommy.
Yes.
So we are on this road trip. And try not to cry when this young one gone off to college.
This youngin'.
We have high hopes for her now.
High hopes.
And we know it's close enough. And we can just jump on the highway. Just let us know when you need those care packages, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
We have the hookup with the bus.
All right. The whole gang is here.
Must be a Tallahassee too.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, college girl.
So, welcome to my crib. We're at Neptune 156 at UCF, okay?
What's the room
First
number?
day of
Why are you
moving.
whispering?
What's the room number?
I can't tell them that. The internet can't know all of that.
All right.
That is true. That's true. That is true. It's
At FSU, they
no.
put the name.
Oh, D
Yes.
for D.
They're welcome. The bathroom is right upstairs.
Wow, this is it.
Spacious.
Yeah.
This is you, DJ?
Well, she can put her stuff under the bed. So then you
Hi, guys.
Hey.
So, we just finished unpacking all the stuff from the car. She did really good. She only has a cart full and a suitcase. Getting ready to go unpack, wipe everything down. Then we're probably gonna go to Walmart and get whatever she doesn't need.
You mean doesn't
Doesn't
have?
have. Yeah, that's what I meant.
Who are you, by the way? You just kind of like showed up.
Greetings and humble salutations, everyone. I am the older
back my
sister.
phone.
I'm the older sister. Recently grad of Florida State University. Hashtag Go Knowles.
Hashtag charge on.
Hashtag
Go
go
nights.
Knowles.
Hashtag please stop recording.
still wearing the same outfit.
Me too.
You know, it's a long day.
It is. So now we're at Walmart picking up groceries. We're waiting for some Black Forest ham. You look disinterested. Okay, now we are
Well,
at
there's a pregnancy and drug
Dollar
test,
Tree.
an ovulation predictor.
Now we're at
Wipes.
Dollar
We
Tree.
need the wipes.
Should I get alcohol? Oh, no.
You need
Alcohol? I don't think so. No, but definitely wipes, yeah.
No, I want you to get other wipes.
Oh, yeah, the cleaning wipes. Okay. But yeah, now we're at Dollar Tree. Just walking the aisles, just seeing what we need. It's like late at night now, like, and I know I haven't showed you guys the room yet, but my room is like pretty much done. And yeah, when I go back, I'll do like a little haul, like what I got, and then I'll show you guys my room. And so yeah, Dollar Tree. So hey everyone, I actually have already moved in. My room isn't like really done. As you can see, my wall is kind of empty. I just have this one painting on the wall. I'm already moved in. This is the second day of class. I feel terrible because I didn't show you guys like the hauls of what I got at Walmart and Dollar Tree, but just basically like grocery stuff, like toiletry stuff, you know, the usual. But yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more college related, UCF related videos, feel free to subscribe. I'm gonna attach my social media right here, so go follow me. And yeah, thanks you guys. I'll see you on the next video.
FSU or bust, supermom, supermom, supermom. Sorry, UCF or bust. UCF, scratch that. UCF, supermom, supermom, supermom. You see, I have college folks, so I get them mixed up. And, you know, supermom, yeah.
Stop recording.
I'm the recorder.